Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Chelsey. A couple days ago I received my April Paper Pumpkin kit, Sentimental Rose, and I thought it'd be fun to make a quick card together. Okay, let's go ahead and make the last card, this Best Wishes. Alright, so we'll grab our pieces that we need to stamp on. This card goes like this, and we're going to stamp up in the corner. I love this stamp. It's so cute. Okay, so I still have happy birthday on here, so I need to take that off from my last card and get best wishes. Oh, there's another one that says congratulations. I think I'm going to do that one instead. So I'm going to give these as Mother Day gift. And so I think congratulations would be a little bit better. Oh, you can't see. Okay. All right, so let's assemble these. So this goes up in the corner, and I'm gonna just keep a little bit of yellow there. Okay, and then add the little corrugated paper. I'm going to have it come off a little bit. And then I'm going to do something a little different. I cut 16 inches of twine, and I'm going to wrap it around my fingers and then kind of loosen it up a little bit. I just like a little bit of ribbon or twine added to my projects, so I think that will be cute. And then I'm just gonna put it with some dimensionals. Right there on top, and the gems. Perfect. Okay, so add a little more texture with that baker's twine, and then the gems, and we're all done. Another really quick, simple, cute card. Don't forget that next month's Paper Pumpkin kit is a special kit inspired by Shelley Gardner. If you don't have your own subscription, make sure to subscribe before May 10th, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Visit creativechelsey.com for more information about Paper Pumpkin and to start getting your monthly kit. Have a creative day. Bye.